Welcome to this video again. My name is Noor Tarzi with Adroit Business Solution. So let's go over Dropbox. Dropbox is an awesome, simple tool that allows you to share files with your team and clients. If you go to Dropbox.com, scroll down all the way to pricing to get an idea of the structure of Dropbox. So Dropbox offers three different plans. The first plan is free. It's absolutely free, up to 2 gigabytes of space. Dropbox Pro is an individual plan that gives you up to 1 terabyte of storage. If you're a business, you would have to go with a business plan, which is $15 per user a month, and it gives you unlimited storage. Let's get back to the homepage of Dropbox. If this is the first time you're using Dropbox, I would suggest downloading Dropbox to your machine. So you click on Dropbox, on download, and then once you get this pop-up message here, click either run or save. And once you're done with your installation, it will be just like type of next, and it will ask you to log in. I already have Dropbox installed on mine. Let's get back to the home page and show you where to sign up. If you do not have already an account, you can sign up for free. Add in your first name, last name, email, password. Let's log in. Now log in here to Dropbox, and Dropbox is a cloud hosting service. So basically you're saving all of your files on the cloud, meaning on Dropbox server, where it's secure and safe and you can access it from any machine. You don't have to be using your own computer in order to access your files. If you own a small business or you work from home and you need to access your files from everywhere, that would be a great tool to use. And even if you are a large business and you need to collaborate with your team, share files with your client, especially if you're in the industry of design, where you have to share large files, then you would not be able to share them through emails. Dropbox would be what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and log in. Here we go. You can tell right here that I linked my personal Dropbox to the business Dropbox. And for today's purpose, we're going to go over, which is very similar, almost the same thing. We're going to go over the business Dropbox. And here you can tell that I organized all of my files right here, and everything is on the cloud. To access a specific client, when you see this little icon here with a couple people right here, that means I have shared this folder with some of my teams. And you can click here on share, and you can invite people to collaborate. This is my team in here, and you can say in here they can edit the file, they can only view the file, or they are the owner of this folder. Sorry, I'm talking about folder here. And what does it mean to share a folder? When you share a folder with one of your team members, they will be able to add folders or projects within that main folders, and you would automatically have access to those files. So let's say I'm working on my own website, and then I need the programmers to access all the images for our websites. I would keep storing all the images right here, and automatically they have an access to it. I don't have to send them anything. I don't have to share anything with them. They already have access to it. Another advantage of using Dropbox is, let's say we're working on a document. In that document, you started doing the document, and then one of your team needs to note it. So they add their notes to it, save it, and it's right there on Dropbox. You have access to it, both of you, and then you can overwrite each other. Now, let's take a look how this would look like on your own computer after downloading Dropbox. So once you download Dropbox, you'll notice right here under the document that you have a new tab called the Dropbox. Once you click on it, here we go. This is all of your folder. And if you're working on your machine, let's say we have some new files that we want to save. I'm going to say test, and then save. I'm going to go save as, computer, browse. I'm going to save it under my Dropbox. And it's the name of the book. The name of the file is book 2. Save. Now, if I want to come here, click on Dropbox, and you should be able to see your files right here. Here we go. Here's our file. Now I want to share this file with one of my clients. So you right click on it and click on Share Dropbox link. Once you click on that, you see right here it says Sharing Book 2 link, which you can go now to your Outlook or email and simply share that links with your clients. Here we go, and this is your link. Once they click on it, now anyone with that link will be able to access the files. Click here, and here we go. This is our Excel sheet that we added for test, and they can download it, they can share it. It depends on the privilege that you give them. That's simply Dropbox. And the very last thing that you need to distinguish is sharing links and sharing folders. Sharing folders would allow your team to be able to download anything from that folder, upload any files, and both if you are on the same folder, versus if you're sharing a link, they can just view or download that files. So think about it as sharing folder would be for your team, sharing links would be for your clients. Hope this